Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shaniya, or as known as Bits of Sunshine. Today I'm so excited to show you another Notion tour of my template, and this time is Pastel Core all-in-one Notion template. This template is the latest all-in-one Notion template that I created, and this template is also my favorite template. You can get it on my Gumroad store and Ko-fi. I will attach the link on the description box if any of you want to check it out. Okay, so I hope this Notion tour video will give you inspiration to have a better productivity workspace on Notion. Alright, so here is the main dashboard of Pastel Core all-in-one Notion template. The main color palette of this template is soft pastel colors such as soft pink, soft blue, soft yellow, and green, and others. So I use headers, images, background text, and other details that are related to soft colors or soft aesthetics. But not only focusing on the aesthetics design, I also value the functionality of its template and make sure that it's easy to use for people who are a beginner in using Notion. Alright, let's start the tour. As usual, on this dashboard, I usually divided this page into 3 columns, 1, 2, and 3. And the first column is daily routine timetable, which you can customize it based on your daily schedule. I made it as a table so it looks organized. The second column is navigation of your life aspects. Here we have academics page, workspace page, journal page, mail planner, budget tracker, reading tracker, and notes page. And we will take a deeper look of these pages later on. On the below of these pages, we have important dates, which I created it on the dashboard to make it easy to remember any important upcoming events such as exams, meetings, or someone's birthday. Scrolling down, we have weekly planner as a daily to-do list, so you can plan the week and easily check it off once you've done the tasks. On the last column is the third column. There is simple reminder here, for example, exercise, save money, drink water, write journal, or any reminder you want to write. Next, we have to-do list. Unlike the weekly planner, it's more like the daily to-do list with the priority option, so you can list down your tasks and do it based on what you are prioritizing. On the below of this list, there is personal goals. There is also a percentage progress bar to track your progress to reach the goals. Here, for example, read 50 books, and so on. Okay, so that's a quick look of the dashboard. Now let's take a deeper look of each page. The first page is academics page. On the top, there is academics files, calendar, new semester countdown, and others. Anyway, for the academics files, it's just an empty pages. You can attach any files or your own document archive on the inside, such as assignments, past papers, journals, and others. Next, we have academic goals. Here, to list down your personal goals for the semester, for example. Also, you can pin any reminders here. And on the right side, we have task list table database to list down all of your tasks, including the priority option, the deadline, and the task status. Also, upcoming test list database to pin any upcoming exams or tests so you will not forget. Choose the subject of the exam here and also the exam date. Next, there is class schedule for Monday to Friday, including the period time. And as always, in every academics page of my template, I always include Pomodoro timer here, 50 minutes focus time, and 10 minutes break. And the last thing of this page is class notes database. You can write any notes on the inside of this page. Here, for example, you can write your subject here, choose the semester you are currently on, input the subject code, and also the lecturer name. Okay, that's all for academics page. We are going to the home page. Now we are going to workspace page. On the left side, we got 2 digital sticky notes, quick notes, and reminders. On the right side, there is quick work progress database. It's a database to track all of your work or any project that you are currently working on. You can write the project name here and to-do list, the work status, the due date, the priority, is it high, medium, or low priority, and the links that are related to the projects here. And scrolling down, we have two columns here, goals and upcoming meetings. For goals, it's just a simple goals list. You can write your work-related goals here on the below of the goals. There is important link to save any links that you want to add as a web bookmark. And on the right side, we got upcoming meetings. It's a database that you can use to manage your online meeting schedule. You can set the meeting date here and the meeting platform, in which project is the meeting, the participants or a team that will be on the meeting platform, and the meeting link. You can check done once the meeting ends. And the last database is Workspace. It's like a folder to save all of your notes, your files, your links, or any documents. That's all for Workspace page. The next page is Journal page. And as usual, in my journal page, it always consists of two databases that are related, all journal entries and monthly journal. All of your journal entries will be appear on journal entries database. So to add a new journal, you can click the plus button, new journal, or click plus new on the below of this database here. After you add a journal, a new list will be appear and you can categorize your journal. For example here, is it about daily life or special event, personal, or other kind of journal. And then the title here and the date that journal is created, and last pick the month of the journal. So your journals will be appear on the monthly journal database. On the monthly journal database, the title of your journals will be appear and it will automatically count the total of your journal on each month, like this. And on the left side here, there is countdown widget to the end of this year, and there is also photo archive page, which actually just an empty page, so you can attach any photos on the each side. It's just my idea to create this as a visual diary or to help you to recall any moments or just looking back at photos that can be a prompt of your reflection on your journey for your journal. So that's all for journal page. Next, we are going to meal planner page. Basically, this meal planner page is used to schedule a meal for the week and helping you to organize recipe, so it's easy to find and reference them when planning meals. So here on the top of this page, there is digital sticky notes like reminder and to-do list, and we have two databases, a grocery list and ingredient stock list. By having this database, it will keep your grocery items in one place, making it easy to access and update your list whenever you need. You can also monitor what ingredients you currently have on hand, helping you to avoid buying duplicates and ensuring you only buy what you need. On the grocery list database, you can list down your to-buy list, the quantity, the price, and check off once you add it to the shopping cart. On the ingredients stock database, you can also list down all of your ingredients or food stock, write the quantity, the status, is it in stock or out of stock, the expired date, and also the price. And scrolling down, there is meal planner database. You can schedule your daily meal planner by set the date first and decide what you want to eat for your breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And for information, this database is related to the recipes database on the below here. So before setting a meal planner, you have to make sure that you already add the meal recipe on the recipe database. So by that, you can choose easily what you want to eat on the meal planner. And the last database is all recipes database. For example, here ice cream almond toast. You can categorize it. Is it dessert, breakfast, or lunch, and pick the level. Is it easy to cook, medium, or hard level? Then give it a rating once you have done cooking it. And also there is a status here. Have you tried to cook the recipe or not yet? And also add to the favorite recipe. You can click the favorite recipe to see all of your favorite recipes. Alright, that's all for meal planner page. The next page is reading tracker. The layout here is quite similar with journal page, and on the left side there is navigation. You can click the button here to add a new book or add a new category, and also some pages. Index page is a database of all of your book lists and book reviews, and notes and quotes page are empty pages which you can customize on your own. There is also reading goals here and reading streak widget to count the books that you have read. And on the right side, there is category database. It's all the book that you have read based on the month you are reading. It shows the total book that you read monthly and also the titles. And last, we have all books database. You can type the title here and the order, the date you have finished the book, and the rating of the book, and categorize it by month and the reading status. That's all for reading tracker page. Next, we are going to budget tracker page. If you're new to Notion, don't worry because this tracker is so easy to use. On this budget tracker page, I made it simple by only using some database that are essential for daily. And okay, so first, on the left side, there is account balance database to track all of your balance on every wallet. There is also wishlist database here that you can use to track your saving goals. You can set the amount of your goals that you want to reach and your current saving. Then the progress bar will be automatically count the percentage of your saving progress. And on the below here, we also got calculator widget. And on the right side, we have monthly expenses database. You can set your monthly budget here and write the total of your monthly expenses, and also the status will be automatically shown if you are on budget or over budget. You can click for details to add or edit all of your expenses of the month. Next, there is monthly income. It's actually work the same like monthly expenses. You can write the total of your income here and add or edit the income sources on the database in the inside of this page. For example, like this. So the next database is subscription database. For example, Spotify subscription, you can set the active or expired status here, the subscription price, the expired date, and the countdown will be automatically count. And the last database is monthly bills. For example, here is internet bill. You can add the cost here, the payment method, the due date, and the countdown to the due date, and the status if it's paid or not paid. Alright, that's all for budget tracker page. It's not complicated and so easy to use for a Notion beginner. And we are going to the next page, notes page. On the left side, we have a quick button to add a new note or to add a new category. And on the right side, we have digital sticky notes like to-do list and reminders. Scrolling down, there is notes category database, which is like a folder of your notes. There is pinned notes and personal folder, works, important links, shopping, and self-care folder. And here is the total number of your notes. When you open this folder, it will show all of your notes based on how you categorize it. And on the below, it's all notes database, which shows all of your notes. Here is the title of your notes and the created time of the note, and you can categorize the note to the category database like personal, work, or else. Okay, so that's all for notes page. Okay, so I think we have explored all of the pages on this Pastel Core all-in-one Notion template. And this template is the latest all-in-one Notion template that I created. I really enjoy the process of making this template, and I hope this template will help you to keep organized on any aspects. Anyway, you can get this template by clicking the link on the description box, or if you already use this template, let me know in the comments or leave me a review on the Gumroad store. I would like to know your experience on using my template so I can improve and create a much better templates in the future. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more Notion template inspiration, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the next video. And don't forget to drop a comment below if you have any questions or there is anything specific you want me to cover in a future video. Until next time, thank you.